In this lecture we are going to learn about the stone masonry. Stone masonry is said when the stones are used as building material instead bricks. It can be used to get good appearance as well as better strength. Stone masonry can be classified in two categories based on the type of stones used for masonry: Rubble Masonry and Ashlar Masonry. Rubble Masonry is a basic form of masonry in which rough and irregular stones are used. Rubble Masonry is used to build walls of low height, say boundary wall. The amount of mortar in this type of masonry will be more as there will be larger gaps between two successive stones due to their irregularities. Ashlar Masonry is costlier, which is of high grade and superior in quality. In this type, the stones used are very accurately dressed and built with uniform and very fine joints of about 3 mm thickness. Different surface designs can be obtained by arranging the stone blocks in various patterns. Dressing of stones is called when we reshape the irregular stones in required uniform shape, so that small amount of mortar will be needed to fill the gaps between the stones. It is needed to give the desired shape to stones, reduce the mortar joint width, and improve the stone surface. Steps can be followed to dress the stone. Sizing: take stones of irregular shape. Reduce them into desired dimensions by removing unwanted portions of the stones. Shaping: remove sharp projections, rough edges and other broad irregularities from the corners as well as from the surface of the stone. Planning: clear the stones of all irregularities by driving channels or grooves on the surface. Finishing: rub the surface of the stones either manually or mechanically. Polishing: buff the surface of the stone till it becomes highly smooth. Steps can be followed for stone masonry. Apply a leveled layer of mortar of even thickness, spread it with trowel. Lay a row of stones over the layer of mortar, place one more row of stones behind the front row. Use a plumb to ensure the evenness of the edge of front row. Use a nylon rope to ensure the alignment of the stones. Pour mortar in between and over these two rows of bricks. Cover the front surface of the stones with a layer of mortar. Then spread the mortar.